Welcome to Stories and Documentaries TV. I'm Venant, and today we're flying across the Pacific to a nation that most people have never heard of, Kiribati. It's a country of coral islands, friendly people, and, believe it or not, some of the wildest, funniest, and most mysterious animals you'll ever meet. From birds that look like comedians in feathers, to crabs that can open coconuts like professional chefs, Kiribati is a land full of surprises. So, stay with us until the end. You'll laugh, you'll learn, and maybe you'll even want to book a flight here. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon to never miss our daily videos. Like this one, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below to tell us what we should cover next. Now let's discover the 10 wild animals native to Kiribati and their habitats. Let's go! Did you know there's a place in the world where coconuts get cracked without anyone doing the cracking? Welcome to Kiribati. This beautiful nation, made up of tiny coral islands in the Indian Ocean, is a nature lover's paradise. From fluffy white sand beaches to vibrant coral reefs and lush green vegetation, Kiribati is a feast for the eyes and a dream destination for those seeking tranquility and adventure. But the real magic lies beneath the surface. Get ready to dive into a world of incredible animals you won't find anywhere else. You won't believe what we found in the heart of the Indian Ocean. Number 10. Air pirates. Meet the masters of the sky, the frigatebirds. These large seabirds with their black, white and grey feathers glide effortlessly above the Indian Ocean. With a wingspan of up to 5 feet, they soar high above Kiribati's stunning landscapes. But don't be fooled by their graceful flight. These birds are notorious for their klepto-parasitic behavior. Yes, you heard it right. They steal food from other seabirds. How do they do it? Well, frigatebirds will often follow other seabirds back to their nests and demand a share of their catch. If the owners refuse, they might just grab it by force. Talk about being cheeky. Number 9. Coconut Buster. Get ready to meet the heavyweight champion of Kiribati's animal kingdom, the coconut crab. This massive crustacean is not your average crab. With its giant red claws, it can crack coconuts like nobody's business. Locals joke that the coconut crab is so strong it can break open a coconut with one swipe of its claw. Can you imagine? No wonder they're called the Coconut Busters, but don't think it's an easy task. It takes a lot of strength and precision to crack the hard outer shell and get to the juicy flesh inside. But for the coconut crab, it's just another day at the office. Number 8. Rare bat. Kiribati is home to a very special guest, the Pacific sheath-tailed bat. These adorable creatures can only be found on a few Pacific islands, including the stunning coral atolls of Kiribati. They're essential for the ecosystem as they help control insect populations, but don't expect to spot one during the day. These bats are nocturnal, meaning they come out to play when the sun goes down. If you're lucky, you might see one of these rare bats swooping through the night sky. Just remember, they prefer a darker environment, so bring along a flashlight if you want to join them. Number 7. Green sea turtle. Picture this, you're snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Kiribati, and suddenly you see a majestic green sea turtle gliding past you. It's a moment you won't forget. These gentle giants are a common sight in Kiribati's warm lagoons. Known for their grace and longevity, green sea turtles can live up to 100 years. They also play an important role in maintaining healthy coral reefs. As they graze on seagrass, they help prevent algae from taking over. So next time you're near the water, keep an eye out for these amazing creatures. Who knows, you might make an unforgettable friend. Number 6. Brown noddy. Kiribati is a haven for seabirds, and one of the most common sights you'll see here is the brown noddy perched on palm trees. These funny-looking birds with their white necks and grey heads are always busy. They spend their days looking for food and their nights hanging out with their mates in huge colonies. Have you ever seen a bird colony? It's like a giant party with lots of noise and activity, and let's face it, trying to get a good night's sleep. Number 5. Reef shark. When you think of sharks, you might imagine scary, dark waters. But don't be intimidated. Reef sharks are actually quite harmless to humans. In fact, they're essential for the health of coral reefs. They feed on sick and injured fish, keeping the reef clean and disease-free. So while it might be tempting to stay away from these toothy grins, rest assured they're not out to get you. Instead, they're simply minding their own business, patrolling their underwater domain. Number 4, golden treat. If you dive into the clear waters of Kiribati, you're in for a dazzling surprise. Schools of golden trevally fish will swim right up to you, shimmering like jewels in the sunlight. These fish are known for their bright scales and active nature. Watching them dart and weave through the water is like witnessing a living disco ball. Talk about a sparkling good time. Number 3, Kiribati. The Kiribati gecko is a tiny reptile that packs a punch. It's one of the few species of gecko found in Kiribati, and it loves hanging around human settlements. You might spot one climbing up a wall or resting on a windowsill. While they can be a bit shy, they're completely harmless to humans. Just admire their unique features from afar and let them be. Who knows, you might even catch a glimpse of one of these elusive creatures in your own backyard. Number 2, great crest tern. Get ready for a breathtaking sight. The great crested tern dives into the ocean and emerges with a fish in its beak. These elegant birds are masters of the dive. They plunge into the water and resurface with their catch just seconds later. Watching them hunt is like witnessing a perfectly choreographed dance. Grace, power, and precision all in one. Number 1, spinner dolphins. Last, but certainly not least, the spinner dolphin graces our list. These playful creatures are known for their acrobatic leaps and spins. Imagine a sunny day in Kiribati when suddenly a pod of dolphins swims up to you. The dolphins seem to put on a show just for you, jumping and twirling in the air before disappearing into the deep blue. It's a magical experience you won't soon forget. And there you have it, a journey through the wonders of the natural world. From the comical antics of the coconut crab to the graceful presence of the green sea turtle, Kiribati's wildlife is truly a sight to behold. Each creature plays a vital role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem. So let's appreciate and protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the world is full of magic. Thank you so much for watching, dear viewers. To our amazing subscribers, thank you for being part of this growing community. To everyone who liked, shared, and commented on our last videos, you're helping us reach more people across the world. And to new viewers, welcome to Stories and Documentaries TV. Don't forget, subscribe now, hit the bell icon, like, share, and comment to tell us what stories you want next. We love you all, and remember, we upload new documentaries every single day. I'm Venant, and this was 10 wild animals native to Kiribati and their habitats. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video.